Well, binili ko yung kotse niya para bilhin tong bibili natin ulit. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Kuya Gadarzio Falcas, your favorite car trader in Metro Manila. Today we're in East West Back. We're gonna pay off a car. We're gonna buy, actually, no, nakakatuwa. This is the fourth time I'm gonna buy one of their cars. So we'll just wait for them. We'll show you the car later. Surprise muna. Let's go. Okay, so this is the car, a 2024 na Ranger Sport na yung mileage is around 23, mga ganyan. Ayan, sir. Check natin. Teka, sama ka dito. So, nakakatawa. Dahil last time magkasama kami, sabi ng misis niya, matagal pa tayo magkikita. Last year lang yon. So, this is our fourth car. Fourth car namin ni Sir Gerald. So, anong year to ulit? Anong year?
2023.
2023. Anong mileage?
Mileage 28K.
28K. Kaya sa all cars, no mileage tampering, guaranteed. Check lang natin. So, no history of any bangga, di ba? Wala.
Ulan lang, medyo malaki.
Okay lang. Kasi alam ko tong kotseng to. Well, binili ko yung kotse niya para bilhin tong
Kasi nga, bibili niya ulit.
bibili natin ulit. Yeah. Ayan. So, kasamang bull bar, kasamang roller lid. Okay. Tapos, check natin yung lobster. Oh. Okay, so mileage. As everybody knows, sa all cars, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. So, I take a video of all the cars we buy. Mileage is 28,000. Start natin. Okay, everything's okay. Parang Tesla na yung ano niya. Yung head unit. Halos brand new pa ito. It's under warranty. Until 2027. Mga ganyan, 28. 5 years ng warranty ng Ford. Let's check the hood. Yan. Buti na lang. Hydraulic. Ha? Oo, hydraulic na. Thank you. Yan. Okay, let's check the hood. No signs of any collision. I don't see any signs. Buo yung H-frame. No signs of leaks as well. Okay. Yan ang maganda pag pang ilang kotse mo nakasama yung client. Number one, malaki na tiwala ako sa kanila. Malaki na rin tiwala nila sa akin. So anyway, we're just gonna go to the back. Mag-buy na tayo. So we're done. Tapos na. Thank you so much. For our fourth transaction. Sabi ni ma'am last year, saka na kayo magkikita. Ayan. Wala pang isang taon. Anyway, thank you so much. Hope you have a nice transaction with me. And I'll see you next year.
Thank you, my favorite car trader.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ba? See you next year. Anyway, if you want to buy cars, para sell cars, para i-Skoda Gadarzio Falcas, your favorite car trader, Metro Manila. Have a nice day.